And the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority (KCAA), through its Director General Emil Arao, has confirmed that 2 people have died following a Thursday night aircraft crash at Kedong Ranch in Naivasha. According to the Kenya Civil Authority (KCAA), the accident involved a Cessna 185 aircraft, registration 5YBVL, belonging to Farmland Aviation, which had departed from Wilson Airport heading to Mbaruk in Nakuru. Although investigations are underway, preliminary reports indicate that the bad weather might have contributed to the fatal crash. In a statement on Friday, KCAA Director General Emil Arao said that the investigations are ongoing in coordination with relevant authorities.